kilometers. Given the fact that the new delineation gives an area size of 2,250 square kilometers to Block 1 in offshore Syria, that would represent 25 to 30% of the size. So given all the risks that are involved in Syria today, the lack of data for offshore, the obvious political issues there, I don't think any company would want to add any further commercial risk, such as a potential maritime dispute. On the issue of whether the Russian Federation is concerned with EastMed being a competitor to the European market, I think the numbers I have up here are somewhat self-explanatory. Syria's reserves are 10.1 TCF. That represents around 24% of regional proven reserves today. Now, the estimated reserves to date in the EastMed are around 42 TCF. The U.S. Geological Survey estimates total reserves in the Levantine Basin to be 122 TCF. Now, European annual consumption is 19 TCF. Gazprom supplies 30% of that, so 5.7 TCF. If we want to compare to other areas and other discoveries, other areas with the same, if you want, maturity as our region. And Mozambique in Area 1, which is Block 1, Area 1, Mozambique, which is operated by Anadarko. One block had a discovery of 50 to 70 plus TCF. That would be over 50% of whatever estimates there are for the region. So given given the fact that reserves are not sufficient, production is not sufficient, there's no distribution network per se. The talk of, as my colleague mentioned before, the talk of a possible pipeline between Cyprus to Greece up to Europe, just to give you an idea, but just between Cyprus to Crete, that would cost $20 billion, and it's technically not very feasible. And lastly, the fact that there is no cohesive regional strategy. Most countries don't talk to each other in the region. The Turks don't talk to the Greek Cypriots. We don't talk to Israel. Most other countries don't talk to Israel either. I don't think there seems to be any concern from the Russian Federation on the potential threat of East Med gas at the moment. I'm going to conclude with this slide, and thank you again for the opportunity.